Come test drive the 2021 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, touring suspension, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.